All right, what's up, guys? Coach Corey here. Together we'll do it better. And I wanted to show you a really cool Chrome extension that I have. I'm thinking about selling it. It's a really cool extension to basically filter out your Facebook feed, right? So what it'll do is it'll actually go through your feed and it will only let you see whatever it is that you choose. So let me just open it up really quick so you can see what I'm talking about. It's called Post Filter Pro. You can see it right here. And the first thing that you want to do is just select what you want to filter, right? So you can choose both. You can choose post or you can choose ads, and then you can put keywords in, right? So I'm going to go ahead and just take the keywords out for just now, just to show you exactly how this thing works. But basically, all you have to do is select which ones you want. So let's say right now, all I want to see are ads in my feed, right? So I'm going to click on ads. I'm not going to put any keywords in, even though you can use keywords if you want. And then you'll select show, and then that's going to show you only the ads, right? So once you start the tool, I always just refresh the screen, just because it works better that way. And what you're going to see now is all of these are going to stop. You're going to stop seeing regular posts, and all you'll see are ads, right? So this is like a regular post, so it's going through my feed and it's only finding ads. So you'll see another ad. This is a regular post. Now it just switched, or it's going to switch to the next ad, right? So the next ad, and that's how the tool works, right? This is a great tool if you're an online marketer and you're trying to spy on your competition. This is one of the best ways to do it. It's super easy. It runs like a pro, and then all you have to do is stop it once you're done. So you can see that. Or now if I want to do just post, so I don't want to see any ads at all, I can do the same thing. I'm going to hit start, and then I'll refresh, and you'll see the sponsored is going to go away, and now it's only going to be regular people's posts. So, and again, same thing, you can use the tool the same way to actually filter out what you want to see, right? So let's just say the keyword I wanted to go for was let's just say coach, right? Because there's a lot of coaches out there. So I put the keyword in, and then I'm going to go for ads because I just want to see ads that have the word coach in it, and I want to show them. Click start. It's going to start filtering. Once again, I'm going to go ahead and just refresh, and then you'll see what's going to happen is this will start changing. It's going to start looking for ads that have the word coach in it, and then once it does, it'll pop it up, and it actually highlights the word coach so you see where it's at and where it's being used. So let's see how long it takes to find one. I thought my newsfeed would have had more about coaching because I'm a coach, so I thought it'd be targeted, but just give it a minute. And this is something that you can run like while you're doing other things. Let it run for a little bit. It's going to grab all the posts, and then you can go back and see kind of the results, right? So let's see if anything's going to pull up. For some reason, I'm not finding coach. Let's see. Let me stop this one and try to do a different one real quick. If we can't find anything, let's see. Hang on one second. I'm gonna go ahead and stop. And then let me just put in Facebook, because there should be ads about Facebook ads or something that should pop up pretty quick. Let's see. Refresh the screen one more time. And again, right now the tool is going to start running. It's going to start looking for any ads that say Facebook in them. So right there, it just popped up, right? So Facebook is highlighted. Facebook's highlighted, so you can see where it's at inside of the post, inside the ad. And this is an ad, right? And then the tool will continue on, and now it's just going to keep looking for the next one. And again, like I said, this is something that I'll run while I'm like doing other stuff. So if you know how it goes with business, right? You're out there doing whatever. Let it run for a little bit, and then come back and kind of check it. And you should have a whole page full of stuff that's gonna be on there, right? And obviously the last thing is the more keywords that you put in it, the more posts it's gonna grab, right? So that's how it works. That's as plain and simple as it works. And again, if you want to not see, so like if I put on ads and then I put don't show, what you'll see is let me refresh the page real quick. You'll see that I'll be able to scroll through my feed and it won't show me any ads. So that was an ad, it just went away, right? Let me see if I can catch up and catch another ad. So that's all it does, it just filters, right? So anything that's not an ad will show up, anything that is an ad will go away, and that way you don't have to worry about shiny object syndrome. So let me know your thoughts on this tool. If you would like to purchase it, reach out to me, let me know. I can sell you it, and we'll get this thing going. All right, see ya.